Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a little bit of mobility, so a little mobility routine just to help maintain range of movement around the joints. Remember, if you feel pain doing anything, stop doing it. Don't try and force the move, so make your body move beyond where it wants to go. Without further ado, crossing your arms in front of you, deeply inhale, exhale as you lower them down, and again a deep breath in, lift up. A gentle exhale down, one more. Deep breath in, gentle exhale, lower your arms down. So we're just going to start by dropping the chin down and then rolling it to one side. Come back to center, go the other way. So all the time your head stays tipped forward and you're just gently rolling your chin from side to side. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come back to center, lift your head up and begin to circle it gently round. Keep sitting nice and tall, shoulders over the hips, abs pull gently in. 2 more. 1 more. Through to center. And then go the other way. Last 2. Last 1. Come back to center and pause here. Now lift up 2 fingers and take them a little bit in front of your chin, and then bring your chin to your fingers. Chin to fingers. If you brought your fingers way too far in front of you, which I have, so I'm almost leaning all my body forward, take them back a little bit because we just want this to be a little forward movement of the head. Bringing the chin to the fingers for 4, for 3, for 2, and for 1. So with that one, it was really a forward movement of the head. So not kind of moving the whole body forward, just that head, the ability to move it forward and bring it back. Now drop one ear towards your shoulder, slowly lift up to center and go the other way. We're stretching out the sides of the neck here. Drop down, slowly lift up. Try not to lift the shoulders up. Try not to tip the head forward. So just a couple of things to remember, and you should feel a gentle stretch through the sides of your neck. Two more. Slowly down, slowly up. 1 more, slowly down, slowly up. Drop your chin down to your chest and lift up to straight. Drop the chin down, lift up to straight. For 4. For 3, for 2, and for 1. And come up to straight. Moving down to the shoulders, take one arm up and bring it down. Swap sides. So a big lift up of the arm, extend it high over your head and lower it down. Again, if you have any limitations, work with those. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take one arm out to the side, bring it back, lower it down, up, out, back, and down, up, out. And you can see there's a little bit of hyperextending here. So when I say hyperextend, I mean the arms going back a little bit. Don't take it back too far. So you come up, you go out, you come back, and you lower down. 4 more. Up, out and back, and down. 1 more each side. Last 1. Keeping the arm nice and straight, and then lower down. Bend the arms, lift your elbows up and circle them around. And again, might hear a little bit of creaking, cracking, noises through the joints, which is fine as long as there's not any pain. One more. Now we're going the other way. Keep that good posture. 2 more. And 1 more. And lower the arms down. Lift the shoulder frame up to the ears and lower it down. And again, lift up and lower down. For 4. For 3. For 2. And for 1. And lower down. Extend your arms wide to the side. Bring your arms in. Give yourself a hug. Look and see which arm is on the top, and we will swap it over next time. Extend your arms again. Bring the arms in. Give yourself a hug. Hold here. Extend your arms and lower them down. Bring one hand to your chair and extend your other arm long and lean to one side. Come back to center. Go the other way. I'm going to keep this going. Nice gentle stretch through the side body here. Sit bones stay on your chair and your feet stay on the floor. Last 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back to center. Bring one hand to the outside of the opposite thigh. Place that hand on that side on your chair. Sit up as tall as you can and gently twist to one side. You can use this hand for a little bit of leverage if you want to. Keep your shoulders away from your ears. Sit tall. Last 4, 3, 2 and 1. Then gently release the twist. Rotate the torso through to center and swap everything around. So remember, you're keeping the shoulder away from your ear. You're sitting tall and you are twisting. Sending your gaze over your shoulder. Twist is coming up from the lower back. Remember, if you feel pain, stop. And if you want to use this hand for a little bit of leverage to extend the twist, if you want to. And then when you're ready, slowly release and come back to center. Now bring your hands to your knees. Wiggle forward a little bit on your chair. You're coming forward and then you're gently bringing one shoulder to center. You're coming back and sitting up, and then you're going the other way. So a little bit similar to what we've just done. We're just rolling one shoulder this time. A little bit of a twist for the torso again. Keep the neck long. Last 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. Come back to center, sit tall. Keep your hands on your thighs, feet are about hip width apart. Draw your torso forward. As you draw your torso forward, squeeze your shoulder blades together down your back. Then use your hands to push your body back and tuck your chin and round your upper back. So almost like cat and cow stretches here, but sitting down. Building mobility through the back body, stretching out the torso, bringing movement to the spine. One more all the way through. So come forward, squeeze the shoulder blades together, keep the neck long, use your hands, push your upper body back, 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 tuck your chin, round the upper back. And then come back to sitting up nice and tall. Bringing your hands to the sides of your chair. Again, make sure you've got room between your back body and the back of your chair. Come forward, lean the torso forward. Again, shoulders away from the ears and just circle your upper body around. Doing this, you should feel some movement through the pelvis, maybe a little bit of stretching through the lower back. Keep your spine long as you come forward. Keep your chin off your chest, whichever direction you're going in. One more, all the way round, back through to center, back to sitting tall. We'll do that one more time and go the other way. Again, keep your spine long, keep your feet on the floor, sit bones on your chair. If you feel pain, stop. You might find one side easier than the other, feel more flexible on one side of your body, perfectly normal. Last one, all the way round we go, back through to center, and lifting the torso back to sitting up nice and tall. Moving down the body to the feet. We're keeping the heels under the knees and we're rolling up onto the toes, staying there for a second and lowering them back down. So your heels are under your knees. You might want to do this without any shoes on as well, to give you more feeling through your feet. So rolling up through the soles of your feet, squeezing the back of the lower leg a little bit. 2 more. Keep sitting tall. 1 more. And lower the heels gently down then. Push your toes ahead of your knees. And we're going to reverse the move. Your heels stay on the floor and you lift your toes up. A little bit of squeeze going on in front of the lower leg here. Heels stay on the floor. Draw the toes back. Lower them gently down. Draw them back. Lower them down. 4 more. 3 more. Sit tall. 2 more. I'm telling myself as well. And then draw the heels back in so they are under the knees. And then extend one foot in front of you and point the toes away and flex them back. Point them away, flex them back. Nice and slow here. And again, as you point away, you'll feel a little bit of contraction through the lower leg. For 4, for 3, for 2, and for 1. Come back and begin to circle your foot around. Go the other way. Now this foot, keep it flexed, point the toes up to the ceiling and then cross it over the opposite shin. If that's enough for you, stay there. If you want to bring it up higher and cross it over your thigh, do so. You're keeping that foot flexed, you're sitting tall. Don't push this knee down, leave it where it is, sit tall, and you should feel a stretch through the hip on the cross leg side. Holding there for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly lower your foot down. We'll do the same thing on the other side. So lifting the other foot off the floor, point and flex. 2 more. 1 more. Come back and circle your foot around one way. Back to center. Go the other way. Nice and slowly here. Building up movement through the ankle joint. Back to center. Keep your foot flexed. Your toes are up to the ceiling. Cross that foot over the opposite shin or bring it higher and cross it over your thigh. Keep your foot flexed. Supporting leg. Nice straight line from knee down to ankle. And again, feeling that stretch through the hip, cross leg side. Last 4, 3, 2, and 1. Gently release your foot. Just rotate myself back through to center, sitting up nice and tall. That ends the little mobility routine for today. Cross your arms in front of you. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. 2 more. 1 more. Slowly lower your arms down. Well done. Thank you for your time and I'll see you soon.